Hi all, welcome to my channel again. In the previous session, I have explained all you about Terraform and Docker part 1. This is the continuation for that session. So please do watch that video before starting this one. So in this session, I am going to discuss about creating resource block for Docker image and container. So as you can see, create a resource block for Nginx Docker image. So resource will be this, and under the Nginx we are giving the name of that Docker image and keep locally as false. So as you know, the main Terraform.tf we have already included all of this. Now we are including this also. It will install the Docker and then it will create the Docker image of the Nginx. So creating a resource block for running container for Nginx. So since we are creating a container, there needs to be some ports which are declared. So for the internal port, it is 80 we have declared in the main.tf, which is nothing but docker underscore terraform.tf, which is the main.tf. So for that, internal port will be 80 and external port is also 80. Now the cat, when we go and see all of the things which we have declared, first we are declaring required providers. Under that we are declaring the source and version of the providers, and then the provider is the Docker that we have declared. Then we are giving resources, which is a Docker image. It will create a Nginx with this Docker image, and this is the name of the image, and keep locally is false we have given. Next is a Docker container. After fetching this image, then it will create the container named as Nginx, and it will fetch that from the here docker hyphen underscore image the resource dot the name, and the name will be like tutorial, and the ports we have declared as 8080. So in case Docker is not installed then on your server, then just sudo apt get install docker.io and docker ps, then sudo ch own user docker stock. You can give this before executing the Terraform file. As you can see here, we have executed some of the commands to modify the user of Docker. So we have created the new group. So now the Terraform file is created. Let's execute the file. Now use the below command, which will initialize new Terraform configuration in the current directory, and this command will download and install all necessary plugins or modules needed to execute the configuration. Each Terraform file will be separated by different directories. So we need to go inside those directories and run these commands. Terraform init, then it will initialize. You can see the message be like Terraform has been successfully initialized. Then use the below command, which will show an execution plan of the changes that Terraform will make to infra without actually making those changes. So this command will help to identify potential issues before applying them, which is nothing but a Terraform plan. So when you execute Terraform plan, then it will show you all the changes that you are going to do. So next is the Terraform apply. Whatever the changes you have done in your configuration files, it will apply those changes. So enter else to apply the changes. When you click on else, then you can see apply complete resources or 2. 2 added, and 0 changed and 0 destroyed. Now the Docker container is created for the Nginx image. As you can see, Docker PS, if we give the name of that is tutorial and the Nginx image have been created. Navigate to the public URL to view the Nginx default page. So this is the Nginx default page. You can just take the IP from here and then you can go and navigate to that server and check the Nginx got installed on that server. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching until the end. That's how we create a resource block for Docker image and container using the Terraform. Thanks for watching.